Hello, Miss Bacoric.
Bachor
I'm sorry, can you pronounce that one more time for me?
Bachoric.
Okay, Miss Bacoric, man, my name is Judge Williams. I'm going to call your case. This is State of Michigan versus Renee Bacoric, case SP19, strike the SP 919664, count 2. Ma'am, could you state your name for the record, please?
Renee Michelle Bachoric.
Okay, Miss Bacoric, today is the day set for an arraignment on a warrant. Ma'am, I'm going to remove the warrant in this matter. It looks like you took care of your civil infraction. Let's see here.
I should have only the no proof of insurance.
Okay. So yeah, you took care of your brake light ticket. So I'm going to dismiss this matter.
Oh, thank you.
Ma'am, you're still going to be responsible for a $45 reinstatement fee, but you take care of that, you're all set.
So the $200 bond.
All right. So we can apply the bond, but ma'am, if you want that hold lifted faster, I would suggest paying the $45. They're going to send you that bond back, but it's going to take a while to apply that to your tickets. It's going to take at least a month.
Honestly, you could use that 45 of that 200 towards the bond or whatever, and that's fine.
Okay, so it's just going to take a minute, but yeah, we'll use that and we'll just send you the balance back.
That sounds great. Thank you so much, Your Honor. I appreciate you so much.
You're welcome, ma'am. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
Do you have any other questions?
I do not, and I really just appreciate everything you just did, because that makes my life so much easier.
Well, you know, we want you to get your license back.
And, you know, with my daughter having surgery tomorrow because she had cancer, or I would have took care of this much sooner. So, I mean, I highly appreciate that.
No, okay. Well, you know, thank you for coming in, taking care of business. And
how soon before I can go to Secretary of State and like do the whole reinstatement? And
like I said, it's going to take about a month to apply that 45 from your bond. But once that happens, you should be all set.
Honestly, if is there a way to pay that online? Because I could pay that 45 today.
If you pay it today, then they'll release it today. You can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org.
Okay.
Or you can pay it at the DivDat kiosk in Detroit. They're at CVS's around town, but I think they're at some Kroger's in the suburbs.
Well, I know I could do it online.
Okay, so, well then just go to the website, type your name in. It should be $45 reinstatement fee, and you can pay that as soon as possible.
I'm gonna pay it as soon as I get off this conversation with you.
And then they're gonna send you the remainder of your bond balance back.
Okay, that sounds good. Thank you.
All right. Take care.
You too.
We wish the best for your daughter.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
All right, Mr. Simon, Ms. Brown, did you guys have a chance to talk?
Yes, we did.
All right, let me call the case one moment. All right, this is State of Michigan versus Brittany S. Brown, case 13454-133, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 109411, counts 1 and 2 and 3, and case SP 1306261. Mr. Simon, can you put your appearance on, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Simon, 35596 on behalf of Ms. Brown.
Okay. And Ms. Brown, could you state your name for the record?
Brittany Brown.
All right.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to take a look at those civil infractions. The total's about $786, which she would like to take advantage of that offer, pay those. She would need probably a couple weeks to do so.
Okay. So Miss Brown, the offer is I'm gonna dismiss the misdemeanors. If you take care of your civil infractions, I'm gonna give you all the time you need to pay that off, okay?
Okay.
All right, I am going to dismiss the matters called pursuant to an agreement. Ms. Brown, we're gonna set a review date for, we'll just say, today is the 12th, we'll say June 16th, it's about a month. If you don't have it paid by then, just make sure you zoom back in and we'll continue to monitor your progress, okay?
Okay.
If you have it paid, don't bother zooming in.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Simon, is there anything further?
No, thank you, Your Honor, not at this time. Thank you very much. Take care. Stay safe.
All right, you too.
I just want to say thank you, Your Honor, and I appreciate the second chance.
Oh, Ms. Brown, we just want to make sure you get that license back as soon as possible.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, ma'am. Good luck.
Thank you.
Hey, Judge, I'm sorry. So do you want me to dismiss those misdemeanors now, or do you just want me to set them for that review date?
No, do them now.
Okay. Do you want me to set the civil infractions for the review date, or just?
Yeah, set the civil infractions for the review date, or at least just one of them so we know what's going on.
Okay.
Can Ms. Baldwin come in? These are dismissals. Ms. Baldwin, can you hear me?
Yes.
How you doing, man? My name is Judge Williams. Give me a moment to call your cases.
Mhm.
All right, this is State of Michigan versus Latasha Baldwin, case 12491-854, counts 1 and 2, and 12614-998, counts 1 and 2. Ms. Baldwin, could you state your name for the record?
Latasha Baldwin.
Okay, Ms. Baldwin, today is the date set for an arraignment on the warrant. Ma'am, I'm going to remove the warrants on these matters, and I'm going to dismiss these 4 cases due to the age of the tickets.
Okay.
Ms. Baldwin, you're still going to be responsible for reinstatement fees in these matters. Did you post a bond?
Yes.
Okay, I'm assuming $400.
Yes.
Okay, now we got 2 ways of taking care of this. They could take the reinstatement fees out of your bond. I think it'd be $180. But if you want that hold lifted faster, if you pay the 180, they're going to send you the 400 back, and it's going to be a lot faster to get that hold lifted.
Okay, I'll do it that way.
Okay, and yeah, as soon as you take care of that, they'll lift the hold, and you should be able to apply to Secretary of State unless you have something else somewhere else.
I got one more ticket in the court today too.
In a court today,
At 1:30.
before me?
After you.
No, I'm saying is it?
No.
Same
Not with
court?
you. No.
Okay, 1 second. Let me look this up. Is it a different courthouse?
It's a different, yes, Farmington.
Okay. All right then. Yep. So just take care of this as soon as possible. Okay.
Okay, so the 180.
Yep.
And
So
then
before $45 reinstatement fee.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions?
No, will they tell me how to pay it?
You can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org, or you can pay it at the DivDat kiosk. In Detroit, they're at CVS's around town. There's also one in front of our building. They take cash and card.
Okay. Nope, that's it.
All right. Well, thank you very much, ma'am. Have a good one.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Your Honor, this is Ryan Hill. My client indicated he was trying to sign in, just to give you a heads up. I'm not sure if he is. It's Mr. Bailey, Kenneth Bailey.
Bailey, I'm looking out for him.
Thank you.
No problem. I'm gonna do Reginald Brown. Mr. Brown, how you doing, sir?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm doing all right.
Great.
Mr. Brown, let me call your cases. Your middle name is Glenn?
Yes, it is.
Okay. This is State of Michigan versus Reginald Brown. Cases 13506-949, count 1 and 2. Mr. Brown, sir, these two matters that are up today are misdemeanors that were currently in warrant status. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the warrant. I'm going to remove the warrants on both of these cases. Mr. Brown, sir, I would note this is not all of your traffic cases. There are a number of cases that were civil infractions, which are tickets that you did not have to come to court for, and after a certain amount of time, a fine went out, and they're a little too old to deal with right now. You're just gonna have to pay the fine. Sir, but as to these two misdemeanors, I'm gonna dismiss these cases.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you're still gonna be responsible for reinstatement fees, but it's a start, you know,
Yes.
in order to take care of these tickets, but take care of the civil infractions as soon as possible, okay?
Okay. And that would be, how much is it on my civil infractions?
Oh, it's a lot. Let me see here. I'm just getting my calculator out, 1 second. Okay, you got a 2015 case where you had 1 count of expired plates, 1 count of no proof of insurance, and 1 count of no registration. And then out of that 2013 incident, 1 count of disregarding the traffic signal, another count of expired plates, and 1 count of no registration. It'll be $1,530 plus the actually $1,630
Plus the refees.
and the refees of that'd be another $90.
Okay. Is there any way we could lessen that amount, Your Honor?
No. You can file a motion to set aside the defaults, but I won't set aside defaults on cases this old. That's why I dismissed your misdemeanor cases.
Okay, so it's gonna be, you say 1630?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how much time could I have to pay this?
You
'Cause
can have all the time to pay this. These are cases you don't have to come to court for. The fines have already been out. They've been out for years. You can just take it a little bit at a time.
Okay. Okay, then, well, I guess I'll have to pay them. Do I come down to 36th District and pay them, or?
Well, you can pay them online at 36districtcourt.org, or you can use the DivDat kiosks, which are at CVS's around Detroit. They take both cash and credit. And there's also one of those kiosks in front of our building at 36.
Okay, then. Great. Okay, then, Your Honor, I guess this is resolved.
All right, good luck, Mr. Brown.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Judge, was that due to age?
Yes.
The dismissal? Okay. It was actually 1620, my bad. But I was $10 off.
This is why I normally direct folks to the website, because I know my math is bad because I don't even check yours. I just assume it's right.
I was $10 off. I making them pay $10 more than he's supposed to. But he'll be okay. 2013.
Kenneth Bailey pop in. Kenneth Bailey, okay.
Thank you, E. You're welcome. I'm about to do him right now. Thank you.
Hello?
Hi, Mr. Bailey.
Yes.
Okay, sir, I'm in a room with your attorney, Mr. Hill. Give us one moment.
Okay.
Mr. Hill, do you need a breakout room with Mr. Bailey?
Please, Judge, I do have one question, and if you tell me no, that's fine. Would the court consider amending that failed to display to allowing?
No.
No?
No, not on that one.
Okay, that's fine, Judge. I just wanted to ask, but yes, if I could go in a breakout room, that'd be great.
Okay. Let me double check something first, Mr. Hill. Mr. Bailey, just join the breakout room, please.
Okay.
See what's up with Kendra Barnes. Ms. Barnes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Man, what is your middle name?
E.
Okay. This is State of Michigan versus Kendra D. Barnes. This matter is not on the docket today. This is case SP 106-8817, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 793-701, count 1. Also case 18425-449, count 1. And believe that's it. 1 second. Okay, also case 195262291. Ms. Barnes, could you state your name for the record?
Kendra D. Burns.
Okay, Ms. Barnes, you took care of all of your civil infractions?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna remove the warrants from these cases. I'm gonna dismiss these matters that I called today.
Thank you.
Ms. Barnes, you're still gonna be responsible for those reinstatement fees at $45 a piece. But if you take care of those, you should be all set.
Thank you so much, Judge.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Have a good one.
Goodbye.
Mr. Hill, can you hear me?
Now you said your 214?
I can hear you, Judge.
So the button is on there, so I can't.
Sorry, Mr. Hill, can you hear me?
I can, Judge, yeah.
Okay, I'll give you allowing and blockading.
That's awesome, Judge, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Bailey, sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, let me know when you're ready. Just tell me when you're at a place you can stop walking.
I'm ready.
Okay, 1 second here. All right, the state of Michigan versus Kenneth Bailey, case SP 106-6891, SP 106-6914, counts 1, 2, and 3. Strike that, case 19513-434, counts 1 and 2, and case 19513-4331, setting aside the default judgment. Mr. Hill, could you put your appearance on?
Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Hill, P68445 on behalf of Mr. Bailey. Mr. Bailey, please state your name for the record.
Kenneth Bailey.
Okay. Mr. Hill, there's an offer in this matter that if Mr. Bailey pleads to an amended charge of blocking traffic as to case 19513-433, count 1, and an amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive as to case 19513-434, count 2, then I will dismiss the remainder of the tickets. The fine in this matter will be $400.
Judge, my client wishes to avail himself of the offer, and we really appreciate it.
All right, Mr. Bailey, sir, could you raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Bailey, sir, you can put your hand down. You understand that you have the right to take these matters to trial?
Yes.
Anybody promise you something other than what we just talked about?
No.
All right, sir, directing your attention to the date of May 24th, 2019. Sir, were you pulled over in the area of 7 Mile and Greenview?
Yes.
Sir, at that time, were you driving without a license?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna accept your plea as to case 19513-434, count 2, to the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm also gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading as to case 19513-433, count 1. The rest of the matters will be dismissed pursuant to this agreement. I'm going to assess a fine of $400. Mr. Bailey, sir, how long will it take you to pay that?
About a week and a half, if that.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna give you to June 16th, 2021, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Hill, is there anything further?
No, but thank you, Judge. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good one.
Take care, everyone.
Guess I'm gonna call the trial. I guess we got 2 trials. I don't see anybody in the room for them. Did anybody check in on any of the officers?
No, Judge.
All right, Carl Bailey.
Yes,
Mr. Bailey, can you hear me?
yes, I can.
All right, this is State of Michigan versus Carl Bailey, case U 560-25220. Mr. Bailey, sir, could you state your name for the record?
My name is Carl Bailey.
Okay, Mr. Bailey, sir, today is the day set for trial. You're here today for 1 count of offer to engage the services of another for the act of prostitution. Sir, today is the day set for trial. The people are not ready to proceed. This matter be dismissed without prejudice. So, Mr. Bailey, sir, the case is dismissed.
My case is dismissed.
Yes, sir. It's a dismissal without prejudice, which means that it's dismissed for now. The city does have the right to refile this matter, but they may or may not do that. It's dismissed as it is right now.
Okay, can I ask a question?
Yes, sir.
Who am I speaking to?
This is Judge Williams.
Hello, Mr. Williams.
Sure.
Thank you for that. But what do I do about my car? They've had it since this case began.
Okay, sir. Ms. Fomar, could you give Mr. Bailey some advice as to how to go about getting this car back? I can put you in the breakout room.
Okay, yes, I can do that, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Bailey, sir, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Fomar. She's an attorney. Maybe she can help you out, okay?
Thank you very much, sir.
Hello?
Hello,
Yes, who am I speaking with?
this is Jessica Ballard.
Jessica Ballard?
Yes.
How you doing, Ms. Ballard? My name is Judge Williams. 1 second. Oh, Ms. Ballard, you're supposed to be here yesterday?
Yesterday, it's May 13th at 9 a.m. I'm supposed to have court.
I had you as May 12th, 9 a.m. It's no worries.
Oh, fuck.
We'll figure this out.
Thank you so much.
I'm sorry?
I said thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right. Ms. Ballard, just hold tight 1 second, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to put you back in the waiting room for a second. Okay, I'm closing the room to see if we can. Okay, I think I maybe Mr. Bailey left.
I think he did.
Okay. So I get this 586 number is to Miss Jessica Ballard. She's got a narcotic related violation. She was supposed to be here yesterday. I'm inclined to just set this matter for a trial date. Let's see.
That's fine, Your Honor.
Ms. Ballard, you back?
Yes.
Okay, so Ms. Ballard, yesterday was your pre-trial date. And what we normally do on these types of cases is we set a trial date after that. And that's what we're gonna do today. So let me call your case.
Okay.
State of Michigan versus Jessica Ballard, case U587-43620. Ms. Ballard, could you state your name for the record?
Jessica Ballard, Ballard.
Okay, Ms. Ballard, I'm gonna set this matter for a trial. It's gonna be a Zoom trial for June 17th
Okay, let me write this down. June 17th.
at 9 o'clock.
Okay, at 9 a.m. And that's, you said it's a trial?
Yep, but we might not necessarily go. It's just to negotiate, get everybody in the same room so we can talk, okay?
Okay.
Yep, and we'll let you talk to an attorney. If you want to talk to one today about what's going on, we can put you in another room right now, but we're gonna do the same thing on the 17th.
Okay, I can just talk to them on the 17th. That's fine.
All right, ma'am, do you have any questions so far?
Nope.
All right, well then, have a good one. We'll see you on the 17th.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye. I got Ronald Berry. That's a trial scheduled. Nobody, no officers. Mr. Berry, can you hear me?
Yes. I'm sorry, I was getting me some breakfast. I'm sorry.
That's okay. I tend to sneak up on people.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
State of Michigan versus Ronald Berry, case SP 1106905, counts 1, 2, and 3. And strike that case U5934421, case SP 115-66551. 1 second, Mr. Berry. Okay, sir, today is the date and time set for days and date and time set for a trial on these matters. Officers have failed to appear. These matters will be dismissed without prejudice.
Oh, great. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Berry, sir, you are all set. Do you have any questions?
No, that'll be it.
All right, well, have a good one, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Bye.
All right.
I got Tony Bryant, and then everybody else is specialty cases, I guess. Is what you need to. Ms. Bryant, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Good morning.
Good morning to you, ma'am. How you doing today?
I'm pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm doing pretty good. I am looking up your cases now. You got a lot of warrants out, but you also got some civil infractions, which I would like to try to come up with something that takes care of the majority of your cases today, if possible.
Thank you.
Ma'am, what is your middle name?
Tyann.
Okay. We got a couple of Tony Bryants in the system, but I got you.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna call these cases. I'm also gonna call the civil infractions that are in default. This is State of Michigan versus Tony T. Bryant. This is case SP 113-1291. Also calling cases SP 113-3060, counts 1 and 2, which are currently in default, and cases SP 1006691, counts 1, 2, and 3, which are currently in default. Calling case SP 712-783, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 712-784, count 1. Cases SP 97, strike that, SP 947-797, counts 1, 2, and 3, setting aside defaults. Case SP 948-046, count 1. SP 999-387, 1. And I believe that's it. So Ms. Bryant, you got a lot of tickets here. And what I can do for you, if you wanted to try to resolve these today, it'd be a couple of counts that you plead to. I would amend, it'll be 2 counts of failure to display a valid license, which are no point offenses, and 2 counts of expired plates, which are no point offenses. The total would be $680, $680, and then reinstatement fees for the matters that went into warrant status. But I would give you time to pay that, and at least you kind of, it knocks out a bunch on this one.
It does. Thank you.
Do you think you'd like to take that offer?
Yes, I would.
Would you like to talk to an attorney about it before we go forward?
No.
Okay. Ms. Bryant, could you raise your right hand? Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, Ms. Bryant, you understand that you have the right to take these matters to trial?
Yes.
Ma'am, did anybody promise you anything other than what we just talked about?
No.
Okay. Ms. Bryant, directing your attention to the date of one second here. February 27th, 2017. Ma'am, were you driving without a valid license in the city of Detroit that day?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, I messed up. One second. So, ma'am, I'm gonna have to tweak this offer just a bit, but you don't have to take it if that's not in. So it'll be 1 count of failure to display and 1 count of improper plates. That's also no points. And then a 2nd count of failure to display, and then a count of expired plates, which is a no point civil infraction. So it's essentially the same thing, but I gotta do some, do something consistent with what the offenses are. If you're okay with that, I'll keep going.
Okay, I'm fine with that. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am, on that same date, were you driving with improper plates?
Yes, I was.
Okay, so I'm gonna accept your plea as to case SP 712-7841 to the amended charge of failure to display, and case SP 712-783, count 3, amended charge, or the charge of improper plates. Also directing your attention to the date of November 6, 2020. Ma'am, were you driving in the city of Detroit without a license that day?
Yes, I was.
Okay, accepting your plea as to case SP 113-3129, count 1, amended to failure to display a valid license. And also on the date of July 9th, 2019, ma'am, were you driving with expired plates on that day?
Yes, I was.
Okay, accepting your plea as the case SP 100666912. The charge of expired plates. The rest of the matters that I call will be dismissed, setting aside any default judgments. And I'm just gonna go through the list. That's cases SP 1006691, counts 1 and 3. SP 1133060, counts 1 and 2. SP 712783, counts 1 and 2. SP 947797, counts 2 and 3. And SP 9993871. Ma'am, for the matters that you pled to, I'm gonna assess a fine in total of $680. That's $340 for each of the incidents. You're also gonna be responsible for reinstatement fees in this matter. Did you post a bond?
Yes, I did.
How much was your bond?
I believe it was $200.
$200?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we can apply that bond and give you time to pay the balance. How much time do you think you will need?
I can go pay the remaining today. Where can I go and pay it?
Well, you can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org, or you can pay it at the DivDat kiosk. There's one in front of our building at 36 District Court, but they're also at CVS's around Detroit. They take cash or card.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna say pay by June 17th.
Okay, thank you.
All right, ma'am, do you have any questions?
So after I pay this, I can go to Secretary of State and get my driver's license back?
Well, when you pay the fine and the reinstatement fees, you won't have anything else in Detroit. I can't tell you if you're gonna get your license or not, just because you know, I don't know everything that's out there for you. But you know, you won't have anything else at 36 that you'll.
Yeah, I don't have anything else anywhere else.
You should be straight.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
So the 200 is deducted from the 680.
They'll take the 200 eventually. So it'll take some time for it to work through, but
So maybe they'll just send a check or something. So I should just pay the 680 though.
yeah, they'll send it back to you. Either way it goes, they're either gonna apply it or you're gonna use it towards.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Brian. Ms. Fulmer, I've been working with Troy's District Court.
Which district court, Judge?
District Court in Troy, Michigan.
Yeah.
And I guess they put folks on probation for these matters until they get their tickets taken care of. So I told them to start sending their Detroit cases here so we can knock out a couple of them, get these folks off of probation.
Okay.
If we can. So I got 2 more people who are in that camp.
Okay.
And I'm gonna call the first one. This guy, Mr. Turner. And then I got Mr. Odom.
So, was that from the judge's meeting, Your Honor?
No, this is just me kind of putting something together.
I just trying to understand some of the policies, you know, as they.
Yeah, I don't
we
even know.
don't know unless you all tell us, so I don't know.
I don't know if this is a policy so much as me just trying to do something. So we'll
no, I certainly appreciate that, Judge. Absolutely.
Mr. Turner, can you hear me?
Yes.
How do you pronounce your first name?
Saul.
Saul?
Yes.
Okay, sir, my name is Judge Williams. And sir, you indicated you were you're on probation in Troy?
Yes, for traffic.
Okay. Now, Mr. Turner, sir, I had a chance to kind of look up what you got going on in Detroit. Looks like you got 6 cases in total from 2013.
Yes.
3 of these matters are civil infractions, cases which are in default I can't do anything about. But then you have 3 warrants out for traffic matters out of that same incident. So what I'm going to do for you, sir, is I'm going to dismiss the 3 matters that are misdemeanors with warrants.
Okay.
And so what you'll be responsible for is the civil infractions and then reinstatement fees on the warrant cases, but you won't have any warrants out in Detroit anymore.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
Okay. So Mr. Turner, could you state your name for the record?
Saul Jahan Turner.
Okay, calling case 13496-287, counts 1, 2, and 3. This matter is not on the docket, but I am going to remove the warrants on these 3 matters and dismiss these matters pursuant to an agreement. Mr. Turner, you're still going to be responsible for the reinstatement fees on these 3 cases. And I would note that you still have 3 civil infractions that you're going to have to take care of, but you have no warrants out of this court anymore.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome, Mr. Turner. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Turner, do you have any other questions? I'm sorry.
Oh, no, sir. No, sir.
Okay, cool. All right, good luck.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
But I'm in court. No.
Mr. Odom? Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, 1 second. Sir, my name is Judge Williams. I'm going to try to call your cases. You can have a court date before Judge Bryant down here?
I believe so. The name sounds familiar. How long ago are you talking?
Let's see, it's from a illegal entry or entry without owner's permission from last year.
What?
Make sure I got the right Kevin Odom. What's your birthday? December 17th?
Yes.
Yep.
Oh, yes, yes, you're right. I remember. You're absolutely correct.
Okay. 1 second here. You got a final pretrial. Oh, they did that. So you got a, looks like there's a final pretrial scheduled for June 2nd, 2021 on that case.
Okay.
I can't do anything about that. I just want to let you know that that's out there.
Yeah, I know what that is.
Okay. So, sir, we got some traffic warrants still out here at 36 and some civil infractions. Let's see here. I'm going to try to do what I can to kind of knock some of this down.
Okay.
Now, sir, when you on that misdemeanor matter before Judge Bryant, at some point were you arrested during that incident?
Yes.
How long were you in custody?
3 days.
Okay. So let me call these cases. This is State of Michigan versus Kevin Odom. Cases SP 840394, counts 1 and 2. Also cases SP 840393, counts 1 and 2. Thus 2 misdemeanors, 2 civil infractions that are currently in default status. Also calling cases 134345701 and 145613931. Mr. Odom, These are 4 misdemeanors and 2 civil infractions that I set aside the default judgments on. Mr. Odom, I make you a deal. If you plead a 1 count amended to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, which is a no point offense that doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, I will dismiss those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases and give you credit for the time that you were in custody.
Okay.
All right, sir, could you raise your right hand? Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Odom, sir, you can put your hand down. You understand that you have the right to take these matters to trial?
Yes.
Anybody promise you something other than what we talked about?
No, sir.
Okay, sir, directing your attention to the date of February 3rd, 2017. Sir, were you pulled over in the area of Archdale and Finkel?
Yes.
Sir, at that time, were you driving without a valid license?
Yes.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna accept your plea in case SP 840394, count 1, to the amended charge of failure to display a valid light, strike that, to the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Sir, I'm gonna dismiss count 2. And I'm also gonna dismiss the civil infractions associated with those tickets, cases SP 840393, counts 1 and 2, pursuant to this agreement. I'm also dismissing cases 134345701 and 145613931 pursuant to this agreement. Okay, Mr. Odom, that's gonna leave you with 2 more civil infractions from 2014. That's just too old for me to take care of.
Okay.
You owe $234 on one, $324 on the other.
Okay.
And then any reinstatement fees that you owe.
Okay.
But we knocked out a good deal today.
I appreciate it.
All right, sir. Good luck. I hope that helps.
It did. I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. Good luck. And don't forget about your date in June with toward Judge Bryan, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Take care, sir.
All right.
Judge, how many days credit did you give Mr. Odom?
2 days credit. Close
Okay, thank you.
All right. So do you have any other questions?
I don't.
All right. Have a good one.
Okay.
Barto, can you hear me?
Yep. Yes, sir. How you doing today?
Doing all right. How about yourself?
Oh man, I'm horrified. I'm horrified. Here's the situation. Remember in the letter that I sent you, I said every time I came down to the court, paid everything off, turned around, they put it back on me. I wouldn't find out till I got pulled over and everything was suspended. Then we had our last incident. Everything has been cleared up on me, has been cleared up on me, even since you did that. It was straightened out the other situation that was my uncle. I went down yesterday to get my license.
Okay, Mr. Barto, you're just breaking up a little bit and you're going a little too fast, so you gotta slow down, okay?
Okay. No, I was running back in the house. I had the phone on speaker and I was letting the dog out. And then when you came on, I had to run back in the house. So I got to catch my breath right quick.
Oh yeah, take your time.
Okay. All right. What I was saying was, remember in the letter that I sent you, I said that on an email, every time I paid off everything, I look up if I got pulled over, I was already suspended and I got back in trouble and it kept happening. Then we got everything straight. I contacted you again, said I got something else popped up. Found out it was my uncle and that was in Oak Park. Took care of it. Went down yesterday to get my license, 36 district. Oh, that one that you asked me to pay the $179. This is how this process has been going. As soon as I paid that $179, a couple of days later, they pulled out and put on me a case from September 2nd, 2016, and said that now my license is suspended. I have not even got a license. This is 2016. Every time something gets paid, something else gets put on me, they suspend my license, then I'll be riding, the police will go on my number, pull me over and arrest me. I've been going through this for so many years. This is not fair to me. Now I gotta sit up and try and get another Secretary of State date that ain't even up until October. I still can't drive. I still can't make no money. I've been going through this for too many years. This is breaking me.
Okay, Mr. Bartow, let's see where we're at. I'm sorry that this
It's case number.
Mr. Bartow, give me 1 second, sir. I'm sorry that this is happening to you, but you know, we're gonna figure it out.
I know computers is computers. You know.
Yeah, I know it's got to be frustrating, sir, but you know, we're gonna do what we can. So hold tight, okay?
Oh yeah, I know you handle business. It's still the emotions that's there, and it's still the fact of going through it.
I know how long you waited for that. I know how long you waited for that Secretary of State appointment. Then they have to get another one on top of that. You know, 4 months later, that's got to be a lot. So hold tight. I'm gonna if I'm correct, you got a son, Michael DeWitt, too, right?
Yep.
Your
sure
birthday
do.
is November 1st, 73.
Yep, that's me. And I have an uncle that's Michael Bartow. Yeah, it's
Hey, I
3
know.
names. Okay, yeah.
We've been dealing with it. I got Michael A.
You know what?
I got 2 Michael DeWitts.
Yep, you are my only saving grace and peace of mind in all of this situation, because I know regardless to what happened on the street, I know once it hits your death, I know I'm okay. That's the only saving grace that you understand what's going on, and that's me being real with it.
Well, I appreciate it, but you know, I appreciate it more when we can figure this out. So I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room for a second. We're gonna try to see what's going on. Okay.
All right, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yep.
You know what? It's I said the same thing, Ms. Byes. Every time I see this, I don't know what's going on.
He said the judge already dismissed it.
Why does he have this in?
I'm like, right, that's what I said. I'm like, why do you have a warrant? How'd you get in the building?
He had a pretrial on March 30th.
So he sent the judge the document.
The SOS. I gotta see what's going on.
I will, Judge. Judge, I had a quick question. Do you remember a Vincent Burke?
Vincent Burke?
Yeah.
He said on the party
familiar, but I don't know for sure.
Says he told the judge his son passed. He on a party store.
Because it's showing that he missed the court date on March 3rd of this year, Judge, and the warrant went out. He told Ken that you dismissed it.
Vincent Burke.
Yeah. I can give you one of the case numbers.
Is it 2070721?
Yes, sir.
Well, and when did he say he was here?
Say last week he was on Zoom with you.
Last week.
Last week.
That's what he said. He said he sent you the stuff last week, and you dismissed everything. And
Vincent Burke.
Yeah. Do you have any documentation from him, Judge, in your email?
Let me check.
Because he missed his court date originally back in December, and then it was reset for. Oh no, the court was closed. So it was rescheduled for March 3rd.
He said he was here last week.
Yeah. I don't know.
yeah, he said he sent you the stuff and sent you last week. I don't remember him. I remember his face, but I don't remember him last week.
You remember his face though?
Yeah, I remember his face.
Was he on Zoom or something? Or was he?
Well, he's here in person, but yeah, he was on Zoom. He's the one that owned the party store and all that stuff.
He owned a party store.
Yeah, I don't know. That doesn't.
If you see him, you'll know him.
I don't remember none of this.
And then if he don't have nothing in the email.
He said he sent it to the judge. All the stuff. I'm like, you sure you sent your stuff to the judge?
Or he had the wrong email.
Right.
Vincent Burke.
Yeah, B-U-R. Oh, you got it. You got a case of Judge. Judge, I don't remember this from last week at all. As a matter of fact, Judge, he wouldn't have been here last week because Judge wasn't here
Judge wasn't here last week, right?
So yeah.
Right.
Oh my God, we didn't even have.
He wasn't here last week.
Maybe he had like a case in Garrett or something. And mix this up sometimes.
I don't know.
Nah.
Yeah.
Wait a second. He's got like a that's a different Vincent Burke.
I'm like, this ain't got nothing to do with a store. All this is driving stuff.
Right.
What do a store got to do with?
Actually,
he wasn't here last week.
I'm about to have him go outside and give him the phone number and zoom in.
Yeah.
I'm gonna write the phone number on here for him. Have him to zoom in.
Yeah, last week.
it looks like there was a Vincent Burke. No, that's a different Vincent Burke. I was gonna say had a case before Judge King last week.
And then
you gonna have to zoom in?
Yeah, you can have him zoom in.
Okay.
He could have thought he may have supposed to send you something and had the wrong email, Judge.
But he said he was here last week. But you said you guys remember him. I don't remember him.
I don't remember.
Maybe I can see his face.
Yeah, I know he wasn't here last week because you weren't here.
But it wasn't on the docket though either.
No, he was on the last time he was on the docket was from March 3rd.
And he wasn't here on March 3rd.
Nope, because I KP'd him.
This is a great mystery.
Yeah. Judge, I'm sorry, I'm about to run Mr. Bartow's driver's license, SOS.
Right, thank you. Hello.
Yes. Judge Williams.
Yes, who am I speaking with?
Vincent Burke.
Okay, Mr. Burke. Sir, we're trying to figure out your situation here. You said you were here last week?
Yes, I had came to you and I had sent you a text about my son had died of COVID, and I expressed to you, and I had called you because I couldn't get on Zoom, and you did my case. I had emailed you. You looked over the case you looked over your emails while you was talking to me back and forth, and you told me I was good, and I've been waiting for my clearance, and I can't go to work because I gotta drive.
I am I'm trying to piece this together, Mr. Burke.
I own the store. I own the store on Belvedere in Canfield. Antonio Tuttles is my lawyer, my uncle.
Was Mr. Tuttles representing you at one point?
No, I'm just telling you, familiarize with who I am as a person. I'm just explaining to you who I am.
When were you here last? When did we talk last?
We talked like last week, like about 2 weeks ago, because remember this? Now you got to remember this conversation. I had got my driver's permit, and I sent you a copy of my driver's permit because I had to get my license. I had to renew my license. I got my driver's permit and my not the permit. I took my driver's test because you was like, you took your driver's test. Did you take your driver's test? I said yes. You said, what a copy of it? I sent you a copy. I still got a copy.
I do remember
I sent you I gave you a copy of it, and you was like, "You good, Mr. Burke? Don't worry." And I said, "I know you don't play." Me and you was laughing. We had a great conversation.
So, Mr.
And
Burke,
was like,
Mr. Burke. Okay, 1 second here.
He was like, "You clear?" He was like,
No,
"I want to see you, my crew."
Mr. Burke, give me a second. I see it. I see it now.
Oh.
On Shoemaker. Yep, I see your permit instructions.
Yeah.
Okay. And this was approximately April 26th.
Right, because they kept postponing it, and being I've been I was like we've been on top of it. Like I've been calling you, I've been calling your people, and then they sent me a letter in the mail that said I have missed you, but they ain't even been putting mail out in my neighborhood on 7 Mile and on the West 7 Mile. They ain't been putting no mail out. They ain't been delivering mail, and so I called you personally because I have.
Bert, give me 1 second here. I got to do some business real quick, and
I'm sorry. I apologize.
No, it's okay. And I
just was trying to go to work.
So let me call these cases. This is State of Michigan versus Vincent Lamont Burke, case 2070720, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Burke previously called in on April 26, 2021, provided proof of driving test, a learner's permit, and further documents. And these matters were dismissed without prejudice due to valid compliance. Sir, we're going to dismiss these matters due to valid compliance, and we're going to waive the reinstatement fees due to the time that the warrant went into status. So, Mr. Burke, we're going to try this again. We're going to try to dismiss him again today, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
No, you're welcome. Sorry about the confusion. We're kind of running.
I know COVID. I understand. I lost my sister and my son, so I've been going through it, and all I'm just trying to do is find a peace of mind and go to work.
No, understood. So we're going to try to make this happen. Okay, sir. It should be in the system at some point, but if it's not, zoom in tomorrow, same number, and we'll make sure that it happens.
Okay, so don't go see this lady right here.
What lady?
I don't. She told me to come back to her window.
Oh. What are they told you downstairs that?
Yeah, the lady right here, window 3. No, window 8. 8.
Window 8. And you're seeing her about what, lifting the hold?
Yes, because I'm kind of like, I just want to go to work. You get what I'm saying? I got a lot of bills piling, and my wife's tripping.
Okay, 1 second here. Yeah, it'll probably be in by this about half an hour to an
Okay,
hour.
I'll sit down here. I'll just sit and wait. Is that okay?
That's fine, but I'm not sure if I'll be here in an hour.
Oh, okay.
But I won't be back until tomorrow.
Well, can you talk to the lady and tell her I'm good?
It doesn't work like that.
Oh, okay.
When it's entered into the system, it goes straight to the Secretary of State.
Oh, okay.
So so that's why I'm saying it'll take a process. She'll be looking at the same thing I'm looking at.
Okay.
But you know, I mean, there's no doubt in my mind that it's going to be in. So.
Okay.
So I would just, I would just assume that it's
Wait till
in, and
tomorrow.
by
I just
tomorrow,
wait.
it should be confirmed. As a matter of fact, I would check the website this afternoon, 36districtcourt.org. It might be reflective on there by then.
Okay. I truly appreciate your time and your assistance in this matter.
No, Mr. Burke, I apologize that this didn't go out the first time. So we'll get it together. All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And we have to.
Huh, that Bartow is a mystery. Let's see here. Mr. Bartow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When did you say you went to the Secretary of State?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yep, my appointment was May 12th.
And what exactly did they tell you?
They told me that they can't give me my license because I have a ticket on there from 2016. I said, give me a printout of it. So she gave me a printout of it. I got the printout here. You want the ticket number?
Yes, please.
All right. The ticket number is 1631-16541. The citation date was September 2016. The suspension date was March 24th, 2017. And it says failure to display a valid license.
Miss Buys.
Yes, Judge.
I got 2 tickets. I'd like to waive the reinstatement fees for.
Okay, I'm ready for the number, Judge.
16311-6541.
Okay.
And 13505-9751. From what I can tell, Mr. Bartow, it looks like that's a matter that you pled to back in 2016, and that there was a reinstatement fee associated, which was what was holding you up on that case.
Okay.
There's also a 2000. Also on that date, there was another case you pled to. One second. Nope, you were supposed to do community service. But then I didn't have, you didn't come back until 2019, but a warrant fee went out on that one.
The one with the community service, that was set for Humane for Habitat. And when I went there, Humane for Habitat was closed. I ended up going and doing my community service through a church.
No, we were past that. You came back and I got proof of the community service. I'm saying that.
Oh,
but
okay, yeah,
in the
okay.
interim, that warrant fee went out. And that's
Oh, okay. I got you.
Those are the two warrant fees that I see associated with misdemeanors under your name. One second here. And then I got the other ones got taken care of with an order to stay because of the bankruptcy. But they would not have done that with the misdemeanors. And if that's the case, that they gave you the 16311, 16541, then that's what you were owed on, that $45. And I tried to waive that right now for you.
I greatly appreciate it. I greatly appreciate it.
All right, I think that's the best that I can do today with what we have. Unless they go on, unless you get another date and they say you got something else going on.
I'm pretty sure I should be good right now. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you, Your Honor. I greatly appreciate you.
Yeah, well, Mr. Bartow, one of these days you're gonna call in and you're gonna tell me you got the license back. And that's gonna be a great day for all of us.
Oh yes. It's gonna happen. I already know it's gonna happen this time. I already know it is. You the man, Angel. I appreciate you so much. You have a good day, man.
All right, sir. Thank you very much and good luck.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right. That is it for our Thursday.
Okay, wonderful.
Cool. I'll see everybody on Friday. I got about 4 days worth of show causes to
Oh, wow. All right, you all have a good day. Thank you so much, Judge and Ms. Spies and court officer.
Thank you.
Have a good
too.
day.
See you, Allison.
Be safe and healthy. Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, thank you, guys.
All right.
Thank you.
care.
Everybody have a great day.
You too.
Thank
All right,
you.
have a nice one.
Bye-bye.
I gotta put all these in.